Do you know that there is so much power in the power of choice that you can choose differently? So let's talk about that. Hello, hello, hello. I'm Reverend Sharon Renae, and welcome to this week's Sunday Inspiration presented by Spiritually Centered. And today I want to talk about something that is really important because we have a tendency to overlook it. We have the power of choice with everything, and it may not be of changing outer circumstances, but it's changing how we choose to react to it or how we choose to think. This is a very important power that we have access to, and it enables us to move from victim to empowerment. It enables us to move from low vibration to a higher vibration. It empowers us to shift our energy and to learn to recognize where we get stuck in our life. And a good example is that, I'm always talking about affirmations and enjoying those affirmations of like I am healthy or I am wealthy and my, my life is great. But sometimes people have a really hard time believing that, so they feel that affirmation doesn't work because 'cause they're not in that feeling of it. You get it? That feeling. So how do you get there? You can use this as a way of starting to get there. I choose to think differently. I choose to believe I am healthy. I am willing to choose to believe that my health is wonderful. I choose to change my belief of limitation. I am choosing to change my belief of lack. I choose. And it's really, really powerful because think about it. I choose to be healthy. I choose to be wealthy. I choose to be creative. I choose to be inspiring and inspired. I choose. And this gives you the power to start to feel that energy shift so that you can get in that happy space, that happy vibration of what you are wanting to create. Now, I can hear some of you right now, well, you know, I just lost somebody and my life is miserable and how can I choose to be happy after that? And I can understand you're in your grief, but you can start to say, I choose to start the healing process. I choose to grieve through this to aid me in my healing. I choose to wake up tomorrow and find something good to bless the day. Do you see where I'm going? We have choice of what we're doing. We don't have control of the outside world. It can be again, I choose to be in a state of peace. I get the choice to choose. Do you know how powerful it is? It is a choice. This is where free will comes into play. You have free will. You have the choice for healing. You have the choice for happiness. You have the choice for joy. You have the choice to be who you want to be. And it's giving yourself permission to up that energy, to be in that wonderful space and to ooze in this place of comfort, in this place of grace. I choose to forgive. I choose to be willing to forgive because I'm not quite there yet, but I am choosing the willingness to start the process and taking it a step at a time. And then when you say things like, I am healthy or I am wealthy, you can start to feel it and believe it because you're choosing to believe that you're healthy. You're choosing to believe that you're wealthy. You're choosing to take on your co-creative existence with the universe to make your life better. And you deserve better because life is there. And if you choose to live it, it brings you more happiness and more joy and more fulfillment. So life is there and choose to have a good day or have a good day if you choose to. And until next time, namaste.